Aloha guys, welcome to the channel, Hawaii's Only. Today we're making ponzu sauce. I'm going to show you guys how to make a fresh homemade ponzu recipe, and then I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and simple ponzu, and then I'll show you guys where you guys can just purchase ponzu. That link will be below in the description. To make ponzu, we need kombu, dashi or kelp, lemon, rice wine vinegar, mirrin, soy sauce, and bonito flakes or dashi powder. Aloha guys, Hawaii's Only. Welcome to the channel. Today we're making ponzu. I'm going to show you guys how to make a ponzu recipe. The ponzu sauce is a Japanese sauce that goes with every seafood dish that I can think of. Mussels, oysters, fish, sashimi. You can eat it with a taco or a cheeseburger. It's that good. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Start. You take the juice of one whole lemon and you're gonna fill it in here. Okay, no matter where it fills up, just put the juice of one whole lemon. It's okay to get the seeds and the pulp in there because we're gonna strain all this later anyway. So you take the juice of one lemon, then you take rice wine vinegar and you fill it up to 250 milliliters or 250 cc's. Okay, and that's what we got right here. And then we take shoyu or soy sauce, we fill it up to about 200 cc's, and that's what we got here. And then we take about 25 to 50 cc's of sweet mirrin, which is what we have right here. Yeah, kombu. So we're gonna put our kombu, and then we're gonna put a 5 milligram packet. 5 gram packet of bonito flakes. If you don't have bonito flakes, you can use 1 packet of dashi. Once again, the links for all of these ingredients will be in the description below. Okay. And then we just take all of this here, put it inside. Our soy sauce, our mirrin, we cover this guy up. We let it marinate for about 2 to 3 days. And that's it. We're gonna leave that just like that. I like it, it's a nice little flap. And then you got your mirrin. You're gonna strain this out. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to pair it with a little seafood dish in just a second, so stand by. Okay, so we went ahead and strained ponzu and put it in a little container like this. We've got just some crab meat here with a little bit of daikon and a little bit of green onion. Guys, we did it again. Super simple ponzu recipe. So I got the daikon and the green onions. We just kind of put this here. Take some crab, get some ponzu, some green onion, some daikon, and I'll show you. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. Go ahead and make you guys yourself some ponzu now. I forgot to show you guys this earlier. Pass me that. If you guys don't make your own ponzu, you can go out and buy ponzu. They sell it at the store. I'll put a link for this in the description below. Now, if you don't want to buy this, you can just take some shoyu, some soy sauce, and some lemon, and a little bit of rice wine vinegar and do it to taste. You don't have to get the kombu and the dashi and all that. This is just a really, really good ponzu recipe. So to cheat, you can get the ponzu, purchase it. It's already pre-made. Or you can get lemon and soy sauce, and that's it. Or if you want to do lemon, soy sauce, and a little bit of rice wine vinegar, that works too. So just do it to taste. But guys, this, oh boy, let me tell you. Oh my gosh. God. It could be an oyster, it could be fish, shrimp. Oh man, I would dip a cheeseburger in this thing. This thing is just super duper delicious. See you guys next week Saturday. Thank you guys very much. You guys have a good one. Aloha.